Hey everyone, so today I am going to be doing a super bold, bright pink makeup look. So after I put the base all over my lid, I took a nice light pink color and I worked that into my crease. Now I just took a darker shade of pink and I put that into the outer corner of my eye. And of course, with every makeup look, I went ahead and blended that out before moving on to the next step. This is definitely my favorite part of the look. It's the bright pink color, and I'm going to put that into my crease. It will be the last color of the crease. For the center inner corner of my lid, I decided to take a nice rose gold sparkly pink color, and I'm just going to use a packing brush and primarily put that in the center. I'm taking a white color and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eyes because I absolutely love this color. I cannot stress enough. I think in every single makeup look I do this. For the final part of the look, I took the bold pink and I took a thin brush so it is nice and curved, and I'm going to apply that to my lash line just about a quarter in just to really add to the look. And that is it, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.